Merry Christmas tout le monde qui dans Chanel là, ou même qui visite Chanel là pour la première fois, Merry Christmas. So, année ça, nous te voulons partager ensemble avec vous comment que moi-même ensemble avec Marie, moi en tant que une petite famille, comment nous célébrer Christmas nous. Alors, nous partager petit moment ensemble avec nous, ou même qui ses amis, famille Chanel là nous dit merci d'être vous avez gardé et puis vous avez partagé pour nous. Eh bien, nous va prétendre là. On a regardé pour nous, ouais.
Snowflakes dancing in the evening light. The whole town's glowing warm and bright. There's laughter echoing down the street and carolers with frozen feet. It's Christmas time again with family and friends. The fire's burning low while outside falls the snow. These precious moments that we hold are worth much more than silver, more than gold. It's Christmas time again. Children sleeping, dreaming sweet.
Merry Christmas, my love.
A morning surprise is beneath the tree. But the greatest gift we've come to know is the love we share, the joy.
Okay. Okay, open your gift.
Oh, it's some cookies. Common cookies.
You have a cup. That's a cup.
Yes, you know the cup.
And then you got some cookies. Because I know you love cookies.
Thank you.
Town's glowing warm and bright. There's laughter
And some tots.
Okay.
It's Christmas time again with family and friends. The
Underwears.
while outside falls the snow.
Whoa, that's a lot. That's a lot.
Open, please.
Shirt. T-shirt. Oh, some boxes.
Not boxes.
Some shorts.
Shorts.
beneath the tree. But the greatest gift we've come to know is the love we share, the joy we show. It's Christmas time again with family and friends. The fire's burning low while outside falls the snow. These precious moments that we hold are worth much more than silver, more than gold. It's Christmas time again.
Electronic lunchbox.
Did you need it?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. That's a good gift, right?
Yes, it is. I needed it on.
Home is where we're meant to be.
I am excited. Hey, why? This for the vent.
Snowflakes dancing in the evening.
Okay.
The whole town's glowing warm and bright. There's a laughter echoing down the street, and carolers with frozen feet.
Oh, let me see. Did I watch the video, no?
Family and friends, the fire's burning low, while outside falls the snow. These precious
All right, this is for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Mm. Okay, I'm gonna open my surprise. And you see the box, love you. The box say, love you. Little cards. I love you. Thank you. Oh, even this one, love you forever. Forever, forever. Okay. Uh-huh. Boom, 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 boom. Hold on.
Turn it on.
Whoop.
Turn it on.
Oh. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. I love it. Oh, that's nice. It's coming with lights. You see that? Oh.
Snowflakes dancing.
Ça c'est cadeau Noël moi. Normalement mais qui ça nous fait? Nous juste garder qui ça yon nan nous manqué. Mais nous bay cadeau et puis nous bay. Moi même c'est pour ça que toujours bay cadeau comme juste quitter le manteau bagay et puis les fêtes là moi bali on bagay. C'est pas gros bagay, mais c'est quelque chose quand même. Ok, c'est quelque chose quand même. On va montrer nous. Ok, so. Moi, je acheté petit bagage, moi, elle te manqué. Parce que après ça, nous allons acheter encore. So, je acheté petit bagage, comme ça, nous avons cadeau. Nous avons notre cadeau, nous allons ça te manqué, et puis nous acheter, pour nous compléter. Thank you very much. Love you. Okay, Merry Christmas, guys. D'accord?
Merry Christmas.
Bye. Nous prenons l'autre vidéo. Nous allons finir, non? Nous venons toujours. On nous dit tout le monde merci qui t'a regardé vidéo, qui t'a passé pour regarder vidéo, qui t'a partagé, qui like. Nous disons merci et nous disons encore Merry Christmas. Bye.